Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana, little surprises here today. It's following perfectly here the Elliott wave count and the suggested price development here. Earlier in the video, I told you that probably the wave 4 would be finished quite quickly. Now we don't have confirmation for that, but when we talked about Solana earlier, we expected it to rise higher. Yeah, I think at the time we were around $30. That was all based on those Fibonacci retracement levels for the wave in which we currently are. And I did give you the target for that wave 4 retracement here in pink. And we looked at the fibs and we said that there were two things here. It's a 23.6% fib level at $30.33 could already highlight that the wave 4 is finished. In this flat correction. So flat correction means that you have your wave low, in this case the wave 3 in pink, yeah? Then you move higher in a wave A, you come down in a wave B. The wave B retraces quite a lot, yeah, often very close to the beginning of the wave A. So just to show you that, you've got basically two key corrective patterns. You've got the zigzag and the flat. And here in the flat pattern, A, B, C, a flat pattern I could identify earlier today already because it retraced nearly to the beginning of the wave A. So that is a clear indication that there will be a flat pattern. In addition to that, what you can usually expect in a flat pattern is that the wave C is very steep compared to the wave A. And again, we saw that, and that is why I told you the wave 4 could be finished fairly quickly. And indeed, it could be finished already because in the wave C, what did we reach? If we take, let's take a look at the target for the wave C. What you would normally do, you take the wave A high, go to the wave B low, and one possible target for a wave C is the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level of the wave A. And is this coincidence? I don't know. Is this coincidence? Does TA work or not? I mean, Fibonacci levels are highly relevant. You can just see it here. Otherwise, how could it be that the wave C has reached the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level perfectly, that week, perfectly. And it's seen a strong reaction to it. Therefore, it could really show and highlight that the wave 4 here is complete. Now, looking at it from the other way around, it did the minimum retracement. So in this case, the $30.33 retracement of the wave 4. Not looking at A, B, or C, just looking at the wave 4 in total, which is here, which probably peaked here. That's how it's currently looking like. The minimum it needs to do is the $30.33 level, the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level. Ideally, you would expect the price to go to $33.11. Generally, that is what a wave 4 would do, but it is even, if we look at ABC and the target for the wave C, you get basically two different targets, two legitimate targets, and you need to look at which one is more likely. And to be fair, the 1.618 extension of the wave A was hit perfectly. So as long as we stay below the current swing low here at $32, my view is now wave 4 is finished. Yeah. If it goes higher, it wouldn't be bullish. It would, for me, only indicate that we go a little bit higher in the wave 4 target area to $33.11 and then next to $35.35. This would still all be within the range of what a wave 4 could do. For now, it is looking like it could be finished, basically because we saw a reaction here to the 1.618 extension of the wave A, and we've seen a strong reaction, and this could just be already the wave 1 down, the wave 2 up, and we could now just be starting the wave 3 low to the downside, the wave 3 of the wave 5 here. So basically, for anybody who's confused, which can happen, is here a 1, 2. Yeah, next wave would be a wave 3. That should be quite a bit of a sell-off. And then 4 and 5. And that wave 5 could be the last leg of the last leg to the downside. Yeah, really the last wave down. Always wait for confirmation though. Yeah, there is no guarantee this is the last low, but we are really closer than ever. Yeah, we've hit our short-term targets perfectly so far, long-term targets perfectly. Solana has done what it needs to do in this current correction. At any point in time, it will be ready to move up, but what we need to do, as long as we are in a downtrend, we are in a downtrend and the trend is on our side, in this case going down. Therefore, we want to wait for confirmation that this is changing by seeing higher highs and higher lows and by seeing a 5-wave move to the upside. In this case, we see higher highs and higher lows, but we see only a 3-wave move to the upside, an A, B, C. And here you're already making a lower high, all indicating that there will be one more dip. At least we can see it like that at the moment. You could also see what we are doing here at the moment as a bit of a bearish flag. Yeah, looking at just pattern trading. Here you've got a channel, an upward sloping channel after a very strong downtrend, indicating this could be something like what you might call a bear flag, even though it is quite steep, but that is because of flat correction. And again, that would be breaking to the downside normally. And we get a good confirmation that the wave 4 high is really in if we go below $28.38. Yeah, and then final confirmation will be below $25.95, because then we could go down in that wave 5 low here. And yeah, I mean, around about the $20 level would be for me very, very important support. And that is just purely by looking at where we had key support before, and that was here back in June and July 2021, where we had the $20 level here, sort of between $19 and $21. That was really key support, and that is where I think this is going as well. Looking at it purely from a Fibonacci extension point of view of the wave, what else could we say is a likely level for the wave 5? So we could also take the Fibonacci extension of the wave 1, because the wave 5 oftentimes equals wave 1 in length. Yeah. And again, that would now depend on how high does wave 4 go. If wave 4 doesn't go any higher, then $19.46 would be the next key target. Yeah, with a very exact target for the wave 5 in pink. That could really, as I said, be the last low. It's not guaranteed yet. We need to see how the reaction is to that level, but that would be pretty much in line with that support level that I just showed you at $20. So at the moment, all going according to plan with Solana. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. And yeah, also make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Please make sure there are scam channels around. Please make sure you only follow the official social media, and you can find the links in the video description. And maybe you want to even check out the trading course I'm currently offering on morecryptoonline.com. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.